welcome back to this Python Selenium hands-on session. So let's go with a problem statement, how to navigate in Chrome using Python Selenium. So let's start with basic imports that we usually do, which is WebDriver, service, options, and Chrome Driver Manager. Let's start with creation of Chrome browser instance. WebDriver.Chrome. So this Chrome class requires two options, which is service and options, which are Chrome service and Chrome options. Chrome service is a service object that consumes Chrome driver manager to install Chrome driver, and Chrome options is a options object, and we need to add two arguments for Chrome. So we'll be requiring two options. One is no sandbox, Another one is disable dev SHM usage. So these two are the options required for containerized environments. Whenever we try to run Selenium code in containerized environments, we need to make sure that that sandbox is not enabled, and also dev SHM usage is also disabled for Chrome browser. So these are all the options. These are all the options that we need to provide. So we'll be explaining why these options are required and how about all the other boilerplate code in the subsequent sessions. But for now, let's use these Chrome options here, and Chrome service goes here. So let's start with Chrome to get a page, which is HTTP localhost UI test page. So and other few pages, chrome.get, https google.com, let this be Facebook, and YouTube. So we'll be checking these other sites as well. Chrome.quit is the final statement. So let's run this code and wait for response. Yeah, we can see the response now. So as soon as there is a Chrome browser instance opened, we can see the URL it navigates is localhost UI test page, and google.com, and later Facebook. I mean, once the site is loaded, then it will navigate to the newer page, Facebook and YouTube. So I think, yeah, this is how you use Python Selenium to navigate in Chrome. Thanks for joining me. Feel free to join my next session as well. Thank you. Bye-bye.